In this session, let us learn about Pandas data frames. What is a data frame? A Pandas data frame is a two-dimensional data structure like a two-dimensional array or a table with row and columns. See example, create a simple Pandas data frame. See, load data into data frame object. See here the calories and duration. 420, 380, 390 is calories and duration is 50, 40, 45. Locate row. As you can see from the result above, the data frame is like table with rows and columns. Pandas use the LOC attribute to return one or more specified rows. See here return row 0. Example, load data into data frame object, refer to the row index. See here the result is calories 420, duration 50. Name 0, data type is integer 64. Note, this example returns a Pandas series. When you use square brackets, the result is a Pandas data frame. See here calories duration. Named indexes. With the index argument, you can name your own indexes. See the example, add a list of names to give each row a name. While execute this calories and duration, see here while we printed, the calories duration was returned day 1, day 2, day 3, 420, 380, 380 and duration is 50, 40, 45. Locate named indexes. Use the named index in the LOC attribute to return the specified rows. See the example returns day 2. While we return day 2, the result is calories 380, duration 40. Load files into a data frame. Few data sets are stored in a file, Pandas can load them into a data frame. Load a common separated file, CSV file into a data frame. See, already we created data CSV that it was loaded here. Okay friends, this is the end of part 5, Pandas data frames. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Pandas read CSV. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.